I'm just me, you know, like I'm sassy, I'm cool, I'm fun, and I like to feed people. My parents are from Cambodia, so I'm Cambodian American. My family migrated here in '83. So mainly like my whole thing is just making really good Southeast Asian food. So I do anything from like Indonesian to Vietnamese, Thai, Chinese. The way I cook is definitely comfort style food. And I gravitate a lot towards soups and stews. So I would have to say my favorite dish would be chicken rice porridge. It's just hearty. I mean, every country has their version of chicken rice. You know, you got chicken and the rice, but the chicken rice porridge is that soup element that just makes it so warm and comforting. It's fortunate that I'm doing this out of a commissary kitchen because it is a low overhead. I think it's all really worth the while because, you know, I'm able to put out good food. In today's society, it's where it's at because everybody wants food in the immediacy. You know, everything is about convenience. But, you know, for TakeIn, I feel like it's truly unique because it's like, hey, if you guys want a local take on what San Diego has to offer, this is what we do. So I support it. I support TakeIn. I love local ingredients and local foods. Local food is very important. I'm Sachit, owner and operator of Angkorian Pikestaff. I'm here at 734 Park Blvd. And if you guys are looking for pickup or delivery, I am on TakeIn app.